Good morning, children. How are you? Hoping all of you are fine and safe. Dear students, today we are going to start chapter A for factorization. Dear students, here we will learn what is factor and factorization. So let us see if a given algebraic expression can be expressed as a product of two or more expressions, then these expressions are called factors of the given expression. Next we'll see method of factorization. Before this we will learn what is factorization. Resolving an expression into its factors is called factorization. Dear students, in this chapter we will learn following method of factorization. First, taking out common factors. Second, grouping method. Third, differences of two squares. Fourth, middle term splitting method. So let us start exercise 4a. Factorize the following. First part of this question is 4a plus 4b. Here you will see that 4 both side the same number is written, so we'll take it 4 as a common here and we'll put it one bracket. So inside bracket, when you will divide this 4a by 4, you will get it a, and when you will divide 4b by 4, you will get it b. So this will be written inside the bracket. So your answer will be 4 into a plus b. Second, 2ab minus 6ac. So here we will take it 2 as a common, and both side a is also written, so 2a we will take it as a common. So when now divide each term by this common number, this is called common factor. So when you will divide 2ab by 2a, we will get it here b minus, this is minus, so we'll write down minus. Again, when we will divide 6ac by 2a, then 2 3 ja 6, so 3 will be, we will write down inside the bracket, and a will cancel out, c will come this side. So our answer will be 2a bracket open b minus 3c bracket close. This will be our answer. Next, question number 2. 2x power cube y square minus 4x square y. So here we will take 2 as a common, and in variable both side it is written x and y. So the variable which have a smallest power will be taken as the common. So here x power 3, here x power 2, so x power 2 will be common, and y square and y, so y we will take it as a common, so 2x square y will be common number. And when we will divide this number, so 2 will cancel out, x square, here x 3, so 1x will be remaining inside the bracket, and y square, and here 1y, so when you will cancel out, 1y will remain inside the bracket, minus, when we will divide this 4 by 2, we will get it here 2. X square already we have taken outside, y we have already taken outside, so here only 2 will be remaining. So this will be our answer. Now let us see next question number 3. X square y plus xy square minus 5x. Here we will take it x as a common. So here 1x we have already taken, so 1x will be inside the bracket, xy plus x we have already taken outside, so here y square will be remaining inside the bracket. Then here minus x we have already taken outside, so here it will be 5. So x into xy plus y square minus 5 will be our answer. Next part is 36 x square y minus 12 xy cube minus 18 x square y square. In all these numbers, 6 will be the highest common factor. So we'll take it 6 as a common number because all these number will be divided by 6, and this is the highest common number which can divide all these numbers. So 6, and the smallest power of the variable will be taken as a common. So what is the smallest power of this x? X is in all these three terms, so x will be taken as common, and y 6xy. So when we will divide 36x square y by 6xy, we will get it here 6 6 are 36, and here x 2 times x is written, and 1 we have already taken outside, so 1 will be inside the bracket, minus 6 2 are 12, x we have already taken outside, here y is 3 times, and 1y we have already taken outside, so 2y will be inside the bracket, minus 6 3s are 18, so 3 will be here, x we have already taken outside, so x will be 1x will be inside the bracket, and 1y will also be inside the bracket. So this will be our answer. Next, question number 5. 5x cube y square z plus 10x square y cube plus 25xy cube. So here we will take it 5 as a common number because 5 will divide all this 5, 10 and 25. 5xy square we will take it as a common. So when you will divide this number you will get it here x square z minus 5 to the 10 x y, because y square we have taken outside, so 1y will be inside the bracket, plus 5 5s are 25, x we have already taken outside, y square we have taken outside, so 1y will be remaining inside the bracket. Now question number 6. 4 bracket open x minus 3y bracket close minus 2y bracket open x minus 3y. So here see x minus 3y and x minus 3y, both these numbers are same, so we will take it this number as a common here. So x minus 3y we have taken outside as a common. So what will be remaining inside this side? If you will divide this number you will get it here 4 minus, and if you will divide this number by x minus 3y you will get it 2y. So x minus 3y bracket close into 4 minus 2y, here we have written like this. Now x minus 3y bracket close, here we will take it 2 and 4, 2 will be common, we will take it 2 as a common. So here when we will divide this 4 by 2, 2 2 ja 4 minus 2 we have already taken outside, so y will be remaining inside the bracket. So what will be our answer? X, here we will take it this x minus 3y into 2 minus y, so we will take it to 2 first. 2 into x minus 3y into x minus y will be our answer. Next question number 7. First part, a plus b bracket close into 2a plus b plus 3a plus 2b bracket close into a plus b bracket close minus 2ab bracket close plus into a plus 4b. Dear students, you will see that a plus b in all these three terms, three expressions, you will find out that a plus b written in all these expressions. So we will take it a plus b as a common. So here it will be remaining 2a plus b plus here 3a plus 2b minus a plus 4b, it will be inside this bracket. Now a plus b into 2a, will remove all this bracket here, 2a plus b plus 3a plus 2b minus a, and minus into plus it will be minus 4b. Now a plus b, here 2a plus 3a, 5a minus 1a, it will be 4a, 1b plus 2b, 3b, 3b minus 4b, it will be minus 1b. So a plus b into 4a minus 1b will be our answer. Next we will see exercise 4b. Factorize each of the following by grouping terms, grouping method. So the first question is ax plus ay minus bx minus by. So what we will do, we will first make it a group of two numbers. Here we have done like this, we have made it a group. Then in this group we will take it a as a common, so inside the bracket x plus y will remaining inside the bracket, minus in this group we will take it b as a common, so here it will be x plus y. Now you will find that x plus y and x plus y, both side it is the same number, so we will take it x plus y as a common here, and a minus b will write down like this. So this will be our answer. Now we will see the next question number 2. M square n square plus m square plus n square plus 1. Now again we will make it a group of m square n square plus m square. This is the first group and this will be the second group. In this group, in the first group, we will take it m square as a common. So inside the bracket n square plus, when you will divide this number by m square, it will be 1. So m square into n square plus 1. Here there is no any common number, so we will take it 1 as a common factor. So here if you will divide, it will be n square plus 1. So see, n square plus 1 and n square plus 1, both side it is coming same number, and it must be come. If it is not coming, it means we are doing something wrong. So it is necessary to come both side the same number. One term must be the same. So we will take it n square plus 1 as a common, and m square plus 1 will write down like this. This will be our answer. Next question number 3. 6y cube minus 24y square plus 2y minus 8. Again we will make it a group this type, and 6y square we will take it as a common. So inside the bracket, if you will take it 6y square, 1y will be inside the bracket, minus 6 4 is 24, plus 2 will take it as a common. So here y minus 2 4 is 8, y minus 4. So again this is the same term, same number, it is coming inside the bracket, so we'll take it as a common. Y minus 4 into x 6y square plus 2, this will be our answer. This is question number 4. Ax plus bx plus cx minus a minus b minus c. We'll make it a group of 3 terms like this, and here we will take it x as a common. So here a plus b plus c will remaining inside the bracket, minus, there is no any common number, so we'll take it 1 as a common. So here minus, so here inside the bracket, if you are taking minus outside the bracket, inside the bracket their sign will be changed, because minus plus into minus, minus plus into minus. So a plus b plus c. So a plus b plus c will take it as a common, so here x minus y, this will be our answer. So dear students, today this much only, will see next in the next class. Thank you and take care.